Alright guys, so normally I'm talking about trucking in the hotshot world, but I want to show you guys something. So I've been having an issue where this is the ignition and the key goes in it and you turn and start it on. Well, at times I notice when I'm going down the road, I'll hit a bump or just idling, the vibration from the engine or any sudden weird missed signal effect. This has been the culprit, and I found out that I thought it was something electrical. I thought it was some way worse, but it is the actual ignition tumbler box thingy. I have the box here. This is the new This is the new one, and they say inside here you can take the back off. I guess you take a couple of screws off and just easily pry it, from one side to another. And they say inside there sometimes will get dirty and will cause it to not get signal from that key fob. And I have had it where it has cut off on me on the freeway or just idling, like I said. And this is the thing. So I had to take off 2 screws that was on here at the bottom of each corner. Sorry. On each corner. Now, the weird part is when I looked underneath here, they said dust can get in there. Well, if you look at, I've never opened this up before since I've owned the truck, but look at how much dirt and dust can get in there. Look, even on the air vent, you can see it falling. That, I guess, sometimes can make its way into here, they say, and can cause the signal, I guess, to get kind of interrupted by all the dust or dirt that could be inside there. So if you have a 14 Ram, I don't know what other years may have this issue, but I know mine's a 14. I had the issue, and a few other people on YouTube that I've seen has the same issue. This is probably going to be the reason why it's doing it. So we're going to change it out and get it going. It'll start. It'll do normal things now, but I hit the wrong bump, or one day I may come outside and just decide it can't get signal from the key. The alarm light will light up. Like a theft light will light up, and it will cause the key not to even fire the engine. So they say you just remove these Torx bits here and this will fall out, and you just push the other one back in. It's got the line up things here, so you can't get it wrong. Just make sure you got it positioned the way it looked from the original, and it should work. What I did, I plugged mine up before I decided to install it to make sure I don't have to do no key, any type of key switching or someone to reprogram the key. I don't have to. I bought the part from Chrysler, and I just tested it out, and it fired right up without any type of programming. So if you want to know the box here from Mopar, this is it. So it's the original one again, guys. So we're gonna install it. I just want to give you that little bit of information just in case this happens to your Ram. Go here first. Check that key fob tumblers thing and make sure it's getting good signal from the key so you can start the engine. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.